Kagigising ko lang guys, maghihilamos muna ako. Tignan mo yung buhok ko guys. Saan ba yung nalagay? Hilamos muna ako. Nag-moisturizer ako guys. Nilagyan ko yung moisturizer with sunscreen ang nilagay ko sa mukha ko guys. Kaya makintab. Napapaan ako guys. Tingnan natin kung anong ginagawa nila. Nakalimutan ko pala dalhin yung mga ganito ni Sawyer, yung kanyang milk, kanyang sippy cup na nilagyan na gabi ng milk.
Are we allowed to play?
Where are you going?
To play? It's cold. I don't know what to wear.
You can't go right now because later we're gonna go to
Where?
the restaurant. It's called a ramen noodle bar. Daddy said.
We're going to a restaurant to with my dad because he's finally off school. So, we're going to a restaurant.
Gusto niyang maglaro. Pero sabi ko, wag na kasi nga punta kami ng noodle bar later guys.
Do I just get changed out of this?
Yeah. Oh, I thought this one is empty. What happened? Ako, bumabalang ako guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh.
Yeah, we were just like,
Marami na naman yung... Ayan, oh.
off on the shelf was like this.
What Sawyer's eating?
He
Huh?
ate mac and cheese, and he also ate cereal shelter.
Okay. Did you eat mac and cheese?
Yes.
Is it good? It's good? Oh. Very good. So, Sisi and brother feed you mac and cheese? So, kumain na sila guys. Ako naman ay magkakape. Ow! Don't spank me. I'm going to spank you. Did you drink water earlier? I don't know where is my water at. Ang kakainin ko guys ay bread with peanut butter. It's also going to eat peanut butter. Yeah. Ayan siya guys. Okay, sit down here. Sit down. I'll give you. Lagot kay Kadong. Hold on. Where is your iPad, Shelts? Get his iPad. Gusto niyo kumain ng bread. Where is your iPad? Sam! Can you please bring his iPad? Sam! Can you bring his iPad, please? Where is the iPad? Not in their shelves? Babe, ano naman natin? You just have to slicing it. Lagi peanut butter lang naman kainin mo dong. Bakit man? Lagay ko sa tissue yung peanut butter niya. Here you go. Don't bother him. Don't bother him ba? Guys.
Can Brother have one?
Peanut butter with toast.
Can Brother have one? Yes.
Tapos mamaya guys ay punta kami ng ramen noodle bar. Kaya ito lang kakainin ko kasi babanat ako mamaya ng kain. Akala ko walang pasok yung asawa ko guys. May pasok pala. So after niyang nag-out siya ng 5 o'clock, darating siya ng bahay mga 5:30. So, kailangan naka-ready na kaming 4 para diretso doon sa sa ramen restaurant, noodle ramen restaurant. So, ito guys, naka-ready na kami kasi mag-dinner kami sa labas. Yung asawa ko ay naligo pa, kakarating lang niya galing work. So, ayan sila. Same kami ng damit ni Samantha, guys. And, andyan si Sawyer, naglaro muna. Wow! Pasok na kami, guys, sa ramen restaurant. Wow, look at that! It's so good. It is so soft. Wow, smells so good. It smells so good. Yeah, and we're here at Korean barbecue.
You got like veggies on there. You can cook them or eat them raw. It's just up to you. Same with our fruit. These are other sauces. We do have like our little cold fries. Those are the ones that are all ready to eat. Got it. Okay.
Give dinosaur shells. Give him
Did you guys
dinosaur.
want to get started?
And
as well. Just with that, try not to stuff the grill too much. It does slow down that heat. If you guys want anything spicy, like spicy, it does come with the paste on it. That one we recommend cooking less because it does like to
do a lot of spicy. What about soy sauce or anything like
soy
that?
sauce. Yeah, so we have like a little sauce station. If you want to like make any like random sauces or grab some ingredients to season any of your meat, it would just be behind that black fridge. It's just like a little sauce bar.
Nice. Okay.
All different kinds of ingredients. You can marinate your meat if you want beforehand. Just try not to fill the meat, the sauces on.
You want to go get it?
no, it's in the house.
You want mine?
Daddy, you put that. You can have it.
Didn't like it?
I do. I'm gonna get my own.
Okay.
I round steak or whatever the salmon is.
Oh, is this mine?
Yeah, you need to give it some.
Guys, tapos na kaming kumain. No, I... We're gonna get mad. Look at you. Okay, let's get it. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. Gusto ni Sawyer ang ice cream. We have to wait, okay? We have to wait. We have to wait, Daddy. Oh, Sawyer. So, busog na kami. Uwi na kami, guys. Na-erase na yung lipstick ko sa aking lips. Be careful, Sawyer. What, Sawyer na in there? Hey, Sawyer! Busog na busog kami guys. Grabe ang kain namin. Akala ko
Samantha, stop.
Saturday ngayon, Sunday pala kaya sarado yung ano. Old Navy. So pauwi na kami guys kasi we are all full. Ang lamig!
Freezing!
Ang lamig! Ang lamig!